In a quiet corner of the world, where the first light touches the earth, a garden begins to breathe. Every opening petal, every falling droplet of dew, marks the first moment of an endless cycle. Here, life never sleeps. It only waits for the sun to write the next chapter.
Beneath the beauty we see lies an entire kingdom, a world invisible to human eyes, yet it supports every living thing above. Spores erupt like distant stars. Bacteria build glowing miniature cities. Microfilaments weave the threads that keep the Earth alive. This is the quietest place on the planet, and the busiest. Discover the hidden universe that sustains us all.
And within droplets smaller than a grain of sand, the travelers emerge. Rotifers, biological machines rotating with perfect precision. Tardigrades, the indestructible survivors of eras long forgotten. Nematodes, the graceful dancers of the micro-realm. They may be small, but their influence shapes life across the entire planet.
When the worlds of the large and the unseen collide, a symphony begins. Pollen drifting through the air carries the blueprint of life. Microorganisms move to the rhythm of growth. Every pulse, every drift, every bloom forms a movement in nature's great orchestra, a harmony between the visible and the invisible.
And at last we return to the surface, to a garden that never stops growing, to colors that never fade, to life painting itself anew day after day, without end. This is the timeless story of resilience, beauty, and worlds both greater and smaller than we ever imagined. This is the eternal bloom.